Hi friends, welcome to Shomax channel. In today's video I am going to do gradient nail art and along with that I am going to do stamping as well. For that I have chosen three colors. One is peacock blue, it's from ESSIE, and another one is late night lilac from Sally Hansen, and the third one is pink color which is from Kozmic colors. Yeah, I hope it's visible. Now let's get started, and for gradient nails I'm going to use makeup sponge, and I have already applied the single coat of this peacock blue because this is the lightest color in my gradient, so I have chosen this one as my base color. Now let's get started. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Until take care, bye.